In this video I will show you step-by-step guide to push your React.js project to GitHub and deploy it to Vercel.
Hello guys, this is my reactjs project and today I will teach you how to deploy your reactjs project to Vercel and also how to deploy your reactjs project to GitHub. So first of all, we will need to have Git installed in our device. So I have it installed. This will not be an installment demo. So this is my project and we will deploy it in Vercel. So first we will go to GitHub and create a new repository. You can name it anything. So I will give it a name. Let's just call it git-deployment demo. Add a description if you want. Deployment demo video. And then go to create repository. You don't need to do anything here, just to create repository, and it will be done in a few seconds. Okay, we have our repository. Oh, now we need to link this repository to our project. I will stop the live server and I will initialize git. Just type command git init. It will initialize a empty repository in your project. Now git add to add all the files in your project to git. Now just go here and you can just copy it and paste it. If you do it like this, it will do everything. And the last command git push dash u origin main will push our code to GitHub. It's taking a little bit of time because I'm using some libraries. Okay, so our code is pushed to our GitHub. If we go to GitHub, we can just refresh and see that our code is deployed here. Okay, we can see our whole code. Now we need to deploy it to Vercel. So first you will need to create your Vercel account. So I already have my Vercel account. So it is really easy. You don't have to really look at projects. Okay, so it's really easy. You just have to go here, click on add new and add project. Then select the repository we just created we just pushed our code into. So we have this git deployment demo. We will import it here. You don't need to do anything on this command. You can just click deploy and give it some time and your code will be deployed. Oh, by the way, you can give whatever name you want here. For example, if I want to name my this is domain name, I can just rename it later, but you can name it here. Like I would say codewithease project or something like that. But you can do it later too. So our project is deployed. Now we can continue to dashboard. And if we go to this link git-deployment-demo.vercel.app, we can see that our project is successfully deployed. Our code is running. We have some issue with our image, but overall our project is deployed. We can just refresh it. Yeah, our project is deployed.